Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 8. Verify a minus of minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. One is question number 1 is, let us verify, that is question number 1 is, it is given that a is equal to 21, a is equal to 21, b is equal to 18. Right? Let us verify, that is left hand side. Left hand side, the value of left hand side is a minus of minus b, right? That is a minus of minus b. What is the value of a? That is 21. Minus of minus b is minus 18. That comes to 21. Minus into minus is plus 18. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3, 39. Right? Now RHS. RHS is equal to a plus b. A plus b. What is the value of a? That is 21 plus b is 18. Therefore 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, 39. Therefore we can say that a left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore we can say they are verified. That way question number 1 is verified. Right? Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 is, now question number 2 is, the value of a is, question number 2 is, a is 118, a is equal to 118 and b is equal to 125. 125. Now left hand side, LHS is equal to a minus of minus b, right? A is 118 minus of minus b is 125. Therefore it comes to 118 minus 1 into minus is plus 125. Right? We add the numbers, 8 plus 5 13, 3, carry 1 2 plus 3 1 4, and 1 plus 1 is 2, 243. Now right hand side, what you are getting? A plus b, getting a plus b. What is the value of a? 118. What is the value of b? 125. 125. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 carry 2 plus 3 plus 1 4, and 1 plus 1 2, 243. Therefore you can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore question number 2 is also verified. Right? Now we solve question number C. Question number 3. What is question number 3? You see, question number 3 is, a is equal to, a is equal to 75, b is equal to 84, left hand side a minus of minus b that comes to 75 minus of minus b is 84, that is equal to 75 minus plus 84 plus 84 plus 5 plus 4 is 9, 8 plus 7 is 15, that comes to 159. Now right hand side is equal to a plus b. A is 75 plus b is 84. Therefore it comes to 5 plus 4 9, 8 plus 7 15, 159. Therefore you can say that a left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Verify. Therefore it is verified. Therefore it is verified. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is what is question number 4? You see, question number 4, a is 28, a is equal to 28, 28, b is equal to 11. Therefore left hand side a minus of minus b is 28 minus of minus b is minus 11, that comes to 28 minus 1 is plus 28, 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 1 3, 39. Now RHS is equal to RHS a plus b. Therefore the value of a is 28 and value is b is 11. We add the numbers, we are getting 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 1 339. Therefore LHS left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? In this way, therefore it is verified also. It is verified, right? Therefore we have verified a minus of minus b is equal to a plus b, right? For all the values of for question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.